Cut a 12-inch long piece of Wakaflex. Form the Wakaflex over the apex. Mark the Wakaflex for the angle cuts. Trim the piece of Wakaflex. Mark and cut off any excess along the ridge. Optional: cut butyl strips from additional pieces of Wakaflex and apply them to the bottom of the apex piece to provide a complete seal to tiles, pressing firmly to bond the Wakaflex to itself. Remove the release liner and adhere the detail onto the apex, forming the Wakaflex tightly to the tiles.